Previously, we have used httpResoruce to render simple table. In this video, we will explore yet another exciting feature, how httpResoruce reacts to signal. We will use this feature to add column sorting to our table. First of all, we need few signal for a column to sort and its sorting order. Next, we need to update the httpResources with the new signals. So we gonna update its param object. So as soon as those signal changes, httpResource will make a new call. Let's update our HTML. On HTML side, we need to update the th. For a specific order, we are showing an appropriate icon, which is a Unicode character, but we only need to show sorting indicator when it's needed, or in other words, when sorting is active on current column. Nothing can be seen on a result side because we need a way to trigger sorting, or we need a way to update the signals. We need to make our column clickable. Our sort by method handles sorting logic. Basically, it updates the signals appropriately. If column is already sorted, then we just need to change the sort direction by updating the order signal. Now we have successfully implemented sorting for this post ID column. It gives us perfectly sorted result. Let's also implement it for another column. Let's choose email. Now both of our columns are sorted, can be sorted. Now we have learned how easy it is to write a reactive code with httpResoruce. We update the signal that updates the httpResoruce. It returns a new data in the form of signals in the form circles. This tutorial ends here. Thank you for watching, and let's continue it in the next one.